patient come in with lower back stiffness, sit straight. So from here, you can see that this side, it's more bulging. The erector spinae, the muscle here, is more prominent on the left side compared to the right side. So if we go from the side, you can see this. Okay. And then the meter. Look at the meter. Okay, we have a break at the bottom here, so which tells me that that's some nerve pressure happening there, some temperature differences. Okay, now I will check the joint. You hug yourself. So feel for how stark is the joint. Tenderness here. Yeah, patient feels some tenderness here, and also the joint is more fixated on the left side. Okay. From the X-ray, we can see that the measurement here on the left side is 73, and on the right side it's 64. So this actually means that the bone, the triangular bone, the sacrum on the left side has gone backwards. When this happens, when it goes backwards, it will rotate everything from L5 and above, everything towards the right. So you can see here, all of the spinous process is rotated towards the right side, giving me another indication that I need to adjust the sacrum. Okay, and also when AS and IN is dominant, we are adjusting the sacrum instead of adjusting the ilium. Yep. PSIS, I'm gonna stay away from it. Okay. Roll you forward slightly. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay, good. Come up slowly, support on the side. Okay. Okay, and have you come over here. Feel for the joint. And if you come closer, you can see that the musculature here has already immediately become more flattened. Try to look from the side. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Thank you.